Hi, I'm Jenn Streicher, and I'm here to show you how I get my everyday look. While these are the basic steps I do from day to day, as a makeup artist, I love to use and try different products and color combinations. So I start out with a primer. This is the Supergoop Unseen Primer. It has a great consistency. You only need a tiny bit, and it has like a SPF of 40. My next step is I curl my lashes with this Surratt eyelash curler that I love. Next, I use the Mercier Eye Caviar stick. Today I'm using copper. So I just apply it onto my lid, not being precious about it, and just blend with my ring finger like up into the crease, and I even try to get a little bit underneath. Then I use mascara. Today I'm using this Chantecaille Faux mascara. It is a lengthening mascara. As you can see, it makes your lashes so very long. Always make sure I do my bottom lashes as well. Next step I use is the Surratt liquid eyeliner. And it's super easy. I just go right along the lash line. Nothing fancy. I go from one end to the other. I always make sure I get right inside my eye as well. Kind of gives a length to your eyes. And then the magical Cle de Peau, the foundation, which I'm obsessed with at the moment. So I've been using it a lot. Just kind of blend it through all the way. I go all the way to underneath the eye area, forehead, and then I will go back with my Moist Beauty blender and make sure that it is all blended, jawline, underneath the eyes, etc. And then I just use a tiny bit of concealer. This is also Cle de Peau. I really love this concealer. I've been using it for years, and I like the consistency, and I like to apply it with my finger. Warms the product up, makes it spread evenly. And then I used the Hourglass Tinted Brow Gel. My next step, I use a Hourglass Ambient lighting palette. It gives a beautiful finish, just makes you look like you're lit from within. I then used a Glossier Cloud Paint blush in the color Dawn. This is a new color. Again, I just apply it with my finger and then go back over it with my beauty blender. And then the last step, I used a Mercier lip gloss. The color is called Bellini. It's a really pretty coral color. That's it, guys. It's pretty simple, but that is my basic everyday look.